Here we are out at the lake, flying the Bixler, coming in for a final approach. You're gonna have to do another loop, I think. Or not. That was pretty. Stop. Here we have Bixler with retrofit landing gear.
Not even glued in.
Not. All right, let's see if this thing can actually take off. We got walkers. Whoa. Alright. Okay, final approach. Oh, that's good. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Alright. Are you gonna land it for me?
Yeah.
Alright.
Without sunglasses.
Oh, I could have given you the sunglasses.
I know, I forgot.
You have a Radian Pro, you have a Radian hazard. Oh, it's a good little gust of wind to make things interesting.
This is my Airwing or wing surfer from Airwing RC. And I did a little mod on it and added landing gear. Pretty simple. Have a little plywood mount. And then it's sort of braced on the inside a bit. And I made it removable so I could take it on and off easily without any glue whatsoever. So you just pull those guys out. Simple hook by poking holes through each side. And then just pull that guy out. Just those Durbro wheels and this mount that I made. I think it's like 1 inch by 2.5 inches. And I cut that part out. So this can just fit back in. And then these guys just on hard landings sort of support it so this it pushes up, it doesn't tear through the foam, and it sort of spreads out the shock when it lands to all this area up here. And it's pretty sturdy. I did took off-road at the lake this morning and on the parking lot, and it's held up pretty well. I don't think it's going anywhere. I can hit it pretty hard, but yeah.